What if one simple plant could brighten not just your garden, but your entire day?
Meet the Coleus plant, a living masterpiece painted by nature itself.
Every leaf is different, making every plant feel truly one of a kind. I find it so peaceful to observe these tiny details. Sometimes slowing down for just a moment is exactly what we need to reconnect with ourselves and find the peace that exists in the stillness of nature. Nature creates beauty so extraordinary it almost doesn't seem real. Caring for plants can become one of the simplest ways to find peace.
Every new leaf reminds us that growth happens little by little.
And sometimes a small change leads to something even more beautiful.
One healthy stem can become the beginning of a brand new plant. Just place the cutting in water, then let nature do the rest. Watching tiny roots appear always feels like witnessing a miracle. It is truly a beautiful process of nature that happens right before our eyes in silence.
Once rooted, it's ready to begin a brand new life.
Growing plants isn't just a hobby, it is a journey filled with hope, and I find so much joy in nurturing this life from the very beginning. A healthy garden quickly becomes a home for beautiful wildlife. It is truly remarkable to see how nature responds. Imagine walking through colors that instantly lift your mood. It is truly a remarkable experience to feel this connected to nature.
Even after the rain, the Coleus continues to shine.
Nature reminds us that brighter days often follow the storm. With hundreds of varieties, there's a Coleus for every garden.
Together, they create a landscape that is absolutely impossible for anyone to forget, leaving a lasting impression of natural beauty that stays with you forever. One little cutting can grow into a thoughtful gift that keeps on giving.
Beauty, patience, growth, and joy, all growing from one amazing plant. Perhaps healing does not always come from medicine, but instead from the quiet beauty found in nature, where the morning mist meets the earth and soul. Sometimes the best therapy is simply spending time with nature, allowing the gentle breeze and the quiet beauty of the surroundings to restore your inner peace and calm.